I can't quite compare thee to a summer's day by Catherine Haynes. An interpretation of William Shakespeare's sonnet, Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? I can't quite compare thee to a summer's day, for she is not as beautiful in looks or fragrance. And although she's just had our baby, I can't look at her the same, for she does not cook or clean. She can't remember the last time she showered or shaved. And while I miss the spring she has always brought to me, summer can't seem to come quick enough. I miss the way her eyes shined like heaven's angels, but she does not look at me with affection anymore. She often looks at me and our child as if we are prey. It is hard on a man like me to feel powerless in his own home. I never thought having a child with the woman I love could make me feel so lonely. But when I look into her dimmed eyes, I do not know who I am talking to anymore. I do not know how she is feeling or what is going around in her closed-off mind. One can never be the same after such endeavors we've faced. But I still can't seem to shake the eerie feeling of our true love beginning to fade. And finally, I remind myself, so long as men can breathe or eyes can see, so long lives this, and this gives life to thee. Thank you guys so much for listening. These are my references. These are the websites I used for my photos, and I use Explain Everything Basics app for my presentation, and then I use YouTube to present it.